Dublin.
Elevation.
Yes.
Upon closer inspection, this bearing needs to be redone, so that's another one to put on the list, but it's still turning freely. It's not binding, but it does need to be redone, so that's another thing onto the list.
I'm from the place where the cars get cruised. I'm from the place where the cars get dusted. I'm from the place where you can't be foolish. I'm from the place where you can't be trusted. A little old place called Dublin. I'm grown up here, man, you hate to love it, then you love to hate it, cause you grew up with mates that were taken from you. Shit's fucking major, I'm waging war right now. I'm taking plates and I'm taking numbers. If you're in me way, well then your days are numbered. I don't hit the brakes, I go straight to numbers. I don't sit with shade, I don't parade with young. Let's keep the circle small, so when it rains we're covered. I'm a different strain.
Yeah, that's that side all tidied up. We just need to get the brake back on. As you can see, that's turning a little bit better now. It does need to be replaced. So yeah, all cleaned up, spray that drum, and we're good.
Can't take it from us, let me explain to his cunt. Can't take it from Scott, can't take it from Sub. And we're blatantly drunk, can't be making this up. I'll do this in my sleep, I'll be this in a week.
So guys, with that back end all done, all cleaned up, all ready to go, we're going to head out and we're going to bleed the brakes. Hopefully I can do it on my own. Just going to fly to Halvers now, grab myself an Easy Bleed kit because I loaned it out to someone and I can't remember where it is. So yeah, let's go get a new Easy Bleed kit, get back here and start bleeding the brakes.
It's a kip of a street, then I'll kip on the street. Yo, I'm from the place where they nick your shoes, make a mistake and the lip get busted. I'm from the place where the kids is bills for the sake of the mates and the race of the drugs. Yeah, little place called Dublin. It's a jit dog, get your shit stroked. You don't tiptoe in the big smoke, you don't tiptoe in the big smoke. Get offended and get violent on the side of the road, you get left lying. Not the lawyer, the boys to be there trying. Get a double screen on to get silence, and that's on wax.
So guys, that was a bit of an epic fail. I tried to bleed the brakes on my own. I don't know, there's no fluid coming out of the back line, so I think I need to bleed the brake master cylinder. I do need another person to pump that so I can then crack a nut. It's something you have to do with two people, or you could go and buy a long length of clear line, put it onto the bleed nipple and put it into the master cylinder, but that stuff is expensive. It's not cheap, it's not easy to get. You can't get it in the motor factors. You actually have to go somewhere and buy the clear tubing, and I think it's €12 a meter, and I'd need 3 meters of it. I'm not paying that much, so I'll just sting one of the lads later on or tomorrow to give me a hand, just pump the brakes. I can release it then. Hopefully that does the trick, then we can get the brakes bled. So yeah, I can't bleed the brakes, so let's fit some nice new parts to the interior of the Mini. I'm going to fit some retro components parts that they sent over me to test fit and do a review on them. So I really do appreciate them lads for sending over some stuff. Also I have other stuff on the way for the interior. It's going to be, I can't wait. Also I need to tidy up a few bits in the engine bay. I also need to replace some fuel line because I'm not happy with the steel line that's going up. It's actually catching the steering boot on the steering rack, so I'm going to cut them all back a bit shorter and run the rubber fuel line down to that and route it around the steering wheel. Maybe that's why it's so notchy. I also want to have a look at the steering column, make sure that everything is tip-top shape. So yeah, let's get a move on. Let's fit some new parts to the Mini. So all you need is an Allen key, the 17 spanner. This is what comes with the kit. Now you can see under here is absolutely manky. I need to drill out another hole there for that because the hole doesn't line up, but you do have to drill one anyway. Some of the Minis come, the rear subframes come with different holes in them, so this one needs to be drilled. Also my subframe needs to be cleaned up, but all that's on the cards. Loads of cleaning up to do with the car, but yeah, this is perfect. It's rock solid on there. I have that as tight as I can get it, so then I can drill this hole, get the next one in, and she'll be solid. Thanks Retro Components for the part. I really appreciate it.
You wanna relax to catch some animal, that's a rap. Me and Scott man do the thing, no swing right left, take a chain for the win like Kim. I've been doing this since this whole kid with the script like I was home alone in the crib. Now I'm known from the bits where I'm from, this straight overseas, got them wearing me shit. Got them kissing the ground that I walk on, chalk on the street everywhere that I spit.
Now onto the interior. I have the dash pulled out a bit. I was fixing a few bits and pieces, so yeah, dash needs to go back in, but before we do that, I'm gonna wire in this bad boy.
I'm still not dead, I'll kill him to live. Man, I've been with the shit, no flies on me, I'm winning this year. I put the heat down nice, don't play when I run them beats. I put the beat down, come and get beat round here on these Dublin streets.
Right, so that's that fit. Now all I need to do is just run this wiring to the ignition and then we have power. Now, just need to do some cable management, but that's all hooked up now. Have a lead on it ready to go. I just need to charge the battery in the Mini, start the Mini, and then when I sort out all these cables, just wire them all together, maybe snip them and shorten them a bit. But yeah, we're getting there. That took a while. Now the Mini is running. I just have the wife in the car. We're going to manually bleed the brakes because we have fluid coming from the back now after using the pressure bleeder. So I'm just moving the face so I can get to the back brakes. So been bleeding a while. We have brakes on this side. This is spinning freely, and when you press it, it's locking up. Nothing on the driver side and nothing on the front. So just loads of more bleeding to do and adjustments to do. So we'll come back once that's done. Right, show, we are getting very late, and I've just been bleeding these for a really long time. As you can see, there's fluid everywhere, even though I have bottles to catch it. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to this tomorrow, so I'll leave the video here for now. It's just getting too long, so we'll come back tomorrow when the brakes are bled and working, hopefully, and we'll update you then. So all cleaned up and the Mini is good to go. Hopefully I can sort this brake pedal. It's still a bit soft, and yeah, sure, we shall see. We'll come back to it tomorrow and try and get a better pedal. But yeah, everything else is working. Headlights, full beams, low beams, all good. Also, this is working. I plugged it into my phone earlier on and all is good. So yeah guys, hopefully you stuck around to the end. I really do appreciate it. Comment below, let me know what you think. If you have any ideas of why the brakes aren't bleeding properly, let me know. So yeah, peace out, be dedicated, subscribe, like, comment. Peace guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Be dedicated.
Swing right left, take a chance for the win like Kim. I've been doing this since this whole kid with the script like I was home alone in the crib. Now I'm known from the bits where I'm from, this straight overseas, got them wearing me shit. Goddamn kiss in the ground that I walk on, chalk on the street everywhere that I spit. No one's killing the kid, I'm still not dead, I'll kill him to live. Man, I've been with this shit, no flies on me, I'm winning this year. I put the heat down nice, don't play when I run them beats. I put the beat down, come and get beat round here on these Dublin streets. I've not had a smoke in about 2 days, I've not had a trim in about 1 week. You're 10 toes down, keep that energy up when the ones get fleeced. You call Garda, yeah, not police. You get dropped with these, you wanna do geography. Yeah, it's not Chicago, it's awfully. Hear the young flow with a hand, old tree, car kick, shake, shock. You talk a lot, but when they rock, we'll fill a jug. So scar them, bone them. All these muppets I'm boning. Never got tested, never got checked. That's concerning. Fucking me up, look at me up. Ching this, ching that, put your Dublinese. Get a spice bag in, shit, need to fucking eat up. Little bit of bubbly coming for you, Booker T. I'm not sugar pea showing off toys, talk with it.